Hey, what's up, ladies and gents? It's Carmelo here, the Creator X3D, and I just wanted to give you a cool update review on the retro mechanical keyboard KRBN, or should I have said KRBN retro mechanical keyboard. Yeah. So I got this from my Amazon wishlist. Super cool keyboard. Has a cool threaded USB cable on it. The keys are nice and big. There's a cool light pattern, a light display that happens when you hit one of the keys. But I'm gonna be honest, it's not my thing. I suffer from migraines, and I should have read the description on the keyboard, the reviews too. I know the whole deal with the mechanical keyboards, but the clicking and clacking, oh my god, it's been hurting my brain so much. Hurts so bad. So it's kind of not for me. Amazon is allowing me to return it. But I thought I'd give a review before I do. It's an awesome keyboard, don't get me wrong. Like I said, it has the threaded, the braided USB cord, and big buttons, cool. Here, let me just show this here real quick for you guys. So there it is. I'll show it even closer shot. So here it is. I think the image is backwards. There we go. It has lights under every key. You can remove the keys, you can change the keys out. My problem is that the keys are not like the LEDs underneath the keys aren't programmable. Am I saying that right? Programmable? I'm having one of those moments where like words just sound weird. Yeah. So I thought I'd be able to set it up the way I like and be able to see the keys, the letters shine through with the light there. But it's not like that. Like I want to set it up so that if I'm working in the dark and I'm in Adobe, I could set my keys and my macros and stuff like that. And this doesn't really allow for that. Again, still saying that this is still a really cool keyboard, but the clicking and clacking has got my head going. You could also change probably the little clips inside the keyboard to change the sound or how it sounds. But no. I feel like somebody will get this and own it and be like, oh man, this is the most amazing keyboard in the world, and because I gave it back. No. So yeah, it comes in this cool box. Yeah, the keyboard's really cool. I mean, hold on one second. Let's see if I can get. Here we go. So check this out. Hope I don't lose any audio because I'm hitting a hotkey. So you just got a light underneath there. That's about it. And that sound right there. Check it out. To someone with a migraine, that is horrible. So yeah, I like it, but I think I need something a little bit more quieter. I don't know, something that's more my style. You know, I mean, something that's more me. Basically, I'm not saying it's a bad keyboard. It's just not for me. And hopefully, the next keyboard that I get is more my style. Doesn't mess with my head as much. Yeah, that's my review. It's a good keyboard, very responsive. If you like, my friends like the clickety clackety sound of it, like because it sounds like a keyboard. They actually feel like they're actually writing something cool on there. But yeah, again, that's not for me at the moment. I like the lights. Wish that the lights stood on. I wish they had like a software that was a little, that had a, you know, you could set functions to it, set lights to wherever LEDs are. That would have been an awesome deal to have. I might have even kept it if it had that. But still, the sound, I would have to figure out what to do with the sounds. Maybe change those little pieces inside the keys. So yeah, again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Carmelo Nazario, the creator X 3D. If you guys would like to send me something from Amazon, Wish.com, any of your favorite outlets for me to review, check my email down below. Shoot me an email, tell me, hey Mello, I want to send you something, and I'll shoot you an address so you can send me something. So yeah, thank you so much. Hit like and subscribe below if you enjoyed the little review. Also, if you're not a Patreon and you want to be a Patreon, head on over to Patreon and support me. Again, guys, as always, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do any of this cool stuff. It's fun, it's awesome, stress reliever. You get to talk to a lot of people, communicate with a whole bunch of folks. Take it easy. Peace.